To begin with, I will explain everything that you will need. First, take the evaluation board on which RN5T5611 is mounted. USB interface board to communicate with the PC. USB cable to connect the interface board to the PC. Please use a cable with micro USB Type B interface. You also need a DC power supply. PC to exercise the supplied software. This is all you need for the evaluation board. Then turn on the evaluation board. Connect the power supply to the evaluation board. Connect the power supply to the ground and the VCS terminals on the evaluation board. Connect the interface board to the connector. Connect the USB cable to the interface board and the PC. Turn on the power supply. Please make sure to limit the power supply voltage. The voltage should be less than 5.5 volts. For the current limit, please set it to more than 100 milliamperes because more than 100 milliampere current is required as a startup current. There is a power on switch on the evaluation board. When the switch is low, the IC is powered off. We can confirm that Reg 2 does not output a voltage while the switch is low. After the switch is turned on, we can see that the IC starts up and an output voltage appears. Next, exercise the software. Please install the software in advance. Please start pmu_comm.exe. Please check the Monitor tab and check the comment at the bottom left corner of the application display to see whether it displays ready. If ready is shown, the evaluation board is ready. If it is not ready, no device detected is shown. Please check USB cable connection or PC driver setting. If you see ready, you can proceed to the next step. The section now explains what this evaluation board can do. This section shows the demonstration. An electronic load is connected to the Vout1 terminal and then load current is increased. When the load current exceeds the limit of the RN5T5611, the output will turn off. At that time, the status monitor changes from power supply to safety. In this case, Reg 1 output voltage is decreased and then the IC detects under voltage. The status monitor shows UV detect. UV stands for under voltage. In order to recover from the safety state to normal state, please push the reset button on the evaluation board. Now you will be able to see that the IC has recovered to the normal state. Next, change the overvoltage detection setting for Reg 3. Connect the Vout3 terminal to the power supply. At present, the overvoltage detection setting is 2.9 volts. If 3.0 volts is supplied to the Vreg3 terminal by the power supply, the IC detects overvoltage detection and the IC state indicates safety. Next, let's change the overvoltage detection setting. Please push reset button to recover to the normal state. Enter the value directly or it can be set by using the cursor. For example, enter 3.2 into the box and press the right setting button. In that state, if 3.0 volt is supplied to the Reg 3 terminal, the IC does not detect overvoltage condition. The IC stays in the power supply state. Thank you for watching this demonstration video. If you have further questions, please contact Nisshinbo Micro Devices Incorporated.